Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new here, please go ahead and press the subscribe button and also press the notification bell that appears right next to it so that you don't ever miss any more of my videos. So I wanted to share with you guys all the tea about the super bomb wig that I'm currently wearing. As you can see, it's curly, it's full, it's Beyonce, it's just Diana Ross, it's just a lot of things, it's a lot of, you know, black iconic. So I'm just very excited to share with you all about it, the color, the wig, the name, the price, all of that, okay, in this damn video. And I'm just gonna show you an unboxing and obviously how I lay the wig. But yeah, I do hope that you guys find this video enjoyable. Here is the wig. This is she. You know, I have a hard time calling wigs she or her or whatever. Like, I know a lot of everybody does that, but I usually just call it it. So I'm gonna make the effort to be like everybody else and refer to her as she because they have names and stuff. So I guess, you know, they're people. So yeah, this is Harmony. And this is a Harmony 117. So Harmony 117 by the brand Milky Way. I wanted it to be a bit more blonde, but then the only color that was available at the time was the SOP 430-27, which is quite good because, you know, I tend to go around colors that are 4, 27, and 30 with my natural hair anyway. So I was like, okay, this is cool. This is the kind of color that I want. Okay, so this is how she comes. Okay. This is actually a lace front shake and go. It's also human hair master mix, so I think this means that it's 5% human hair. I'm not sure what that means and I don't know where that is supposed to be. I assume if you have something that's 5% human hair, it would mean that the human hair would be kind of somewhere in the front, because for me that's where it's important if it's a lace front. So I don't know, I'm not quite sure, I'm not familiar with it, but if anybody knows what it really means when they say they have a human hair master mix and it's 5%, I'd love to know because I ain't got the damn clue. And this is what she looks like. Oh my god, it's soft. I am loving it already. Oh, not bad. I hope it's a good size for me because I have kind of a big head, but you know, we'll see. We'll work on it. So as you can see, there's just a little bit of lace here. It's not so much a lace front in the way that I assume that it would be. It's really basically just a middle part kind of wig, so you don't get to choose where you want to part. It's definitely a vibe, guys. Like, I love the curl, and as you can see, the inside is like so, with, you know, the adjustable straps here. So you have the combs on the side and then you have the adjustable straps at the back with the comb at the back as well. Okay, so as you can see, I'm about to apply the wig, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what my hair is like underneath. I've decided that as like I'm trying to grow my hair. Unfortunately, after doing the locks, I lost a couple of edges. I think there's a couple of holes that you can see, but basically the idea is that I'm gonna use my wigs as a protective style, basically, and just make it easy for me to kind of wash my hair more regularly because it's something that I really don't do and it's not good. And take care of my hair on a more regular basis, basically. And I'm going to take this brown wig cap. I have another one that's lighter and I don't like it because it's too light, so I'm just going to go with a brown one and secure the hair. Secure. And I'm just kind of keeping these parts out because I don't like tucking them away, otherwise it makes my wig look really fake. So just like any baby hairs can just come out and we'll work with that. Start applying a bit of foundation on the outside. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a bit more foundation also from the inside, going in on these parts to just kind of hide the additional knots, because, you know, there'll be a lot of knots on these wigs. So I'm securing the back first, right, and then I'm dragging it to the front. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just pull to the front. I haven't secured it anywhere yet, okay? I'm just pulling to have a good sense of where my wig needs to sit. Just pulling it, okay. You can see the lace here, okay, and then the lace here. And this is the part where, for me, to make this all look as realistic as possible, it's important to play with like the baby hairs and do some gelling, okay? See exactly where it is that I have some baby hairs to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and gel, okay? And for me to gel, I'm gonna use the Got2b, as you know. This is like the glue it's a gel. Okay, so a lot of people freak out. I don't know why people freak out. It's just a gel. It's not an actual glue. Sorry, I'm holding it upside down. Of course, it's just a gel, not an actual glue. And what I like to do is just apply it usually directly on my hairline. I've never experienced any problems with it. It's really not that deep for me. What I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna go ahead and apply my got-to-be glue right here. Lay my wig now. Probably should have just let it dry a little bit, but you know what, whatever. Alright guys, that was everything you needed to know about this wig. I think I've told you the price, and if I haven't, it's synthetic wig, so it's $31. Ridiculous price. Amazing, amazing. I'll let you guys know how this holds up because I'm likely going to be wearing it every day for like the next 2 months. We'll see how it holds up then. You'll be seeing a lot of it in my videos very likely. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, favorite if you like this video and want to see it in the future. And yeah, just let me know what more you want to see from me. I love you guys. Bye bye.